Oh no. Well, pop the fuse in my extension. Shouldn't really have the welder on an extension, but fuck it.
Here you go. Okay. I needed some shit with some bop in it. I flew past the whip with that blunt in my mouth, watched it swerving. That whip had a cop in it.
Not that much of a cowboy, come on. On another glorious winter's evening with Stu. I don't even have to refer to myself in the third person, but we're doing, as the kids would say, bits on a Civic. I noticed when I was editing that video that I didn't really go over what I've done because I didn't have a lot of footage, so as a treat today I'm going to show you everything. Here we go, look at that. I got up to the sanding part and I thought I'll just give you a nice view of everything. So this bit here, I'm still waiting for an engine mount, so I've left that. Big horrible welds, but it's welded. A big clump of filler across there. Get this a bit smoother. This side I haven't really done yet, even though it looks like a kind of, and then this side I just need to do a bit more on this bit here and then there. But what I've done, top mount extensions, I've done them, ground a bit of, what have I done there? Why have I ground a big chunk of filler out there? That is weird. Yeah, so I put the extended top mounts on, and then with this bit here, I don't know if you can, Joe's bit is all covered up, but look at this bit, and then we'll go to Joe's. So you'll see these lovely raised bits here. Just, they're not as big on the EJ. Is this an EJ? What is this? EJ, yeah. Is it an EJ? EJ9? Let's cover this fucking plate up. So not as high, so I had to knock them all down like tappa, tappa, tappa.
Tappa, tappa, tappa.
And then I welded all the spot welds up, welded them plates in, smoothed them all down. This is like similar, actually, this bay is pretty similar, so it does show how much I've done. I'll do a side by side sort of thing. If you look here, oh, that lip is smooth. All under there. It's not raised up or anything, it's all smooth. Sam's just fucking doing his car here. And you see on Joe's here, it's like a big huge lip all the way across there, so. So you see, this big aircon bit, I really want aircon, but I just filled it up because I couldn't be arsed waiting to figure out where I was going to put the pipes, so I just kind of left it. That's what I did, all that side there, all the way to the other side, to where you can see where the shadow is. And that is where I stopped, because you're not going to see any of that under there. I did forget to do all these holes up here, like this one, like a fucking idiot. So this one I forgot, and then there's two over there, but I hope you don't see them, because I cannot be arsed welding anymore. Especially now there's filler there. It's a nightmare. This was a ball ache because I had to do this once I put the first lot of filler in. I fucking forgot. There's like a divot and you can't just fill it with filler because it's a bit shit. So I had to grind it all out, and then I welded a nice plate in there so that down there wouldn't be full of filler. And I did the same on that side. So these tiny, tiny little fucking things. So I had to do the same here. So you can probably see where the start of my plate is down there, because I've sanded that filler a bit too much. And then this one had to go across there and then round here. You see another weld there. So that just got rid of, there was two divots in there. It's tiny, tiny things. It's like the littlest of things with this car that are making me crazy. So I get over here and I'm looking at this bit here being like, ooh, the extra bits of lips, all these bits here, and all them there. So I just ground them all down and then I'm going to weld them. Weld the two seams where there's a gap, like under there. I don't know, I just need to concentrate on doing the sanding than just doing random shit. Fuck knows. I've gone to town. This is my edge now. Lovely. I don't know why my camera is not focusing properly. That's that edge. So I'm just buffering. And that's that. More fucking welding, more sanding, more bullshit. So, I forgot my camera twice. Like a fucking idiot. I welded all this up, re-welded it, and then die grinded it all, so it's all nice and solid. It's because it's getting filled, it doesn't have to be mega smooth. As long as there's no fucking big massive holes or anything in from the other side, we are sound. I got a torch on, shone it through, and we are laughing. That what you can hear in the background is the heater giving it death. Giving it death. Oh yes. Whew. But I had to chop out where my engine mount was gonna go, and couldn't remember where the holes were because I welded them all up. But it doesn't matter because see that bracket right there, this one here, it sits right between it. Your engine mount sits between it, so it slots right in there. Cut these off. I've got to weld because I didn't want to weld to this top plate because obviously this top plate is only tacked in at a few places, so I didn't want all the stress of the engine being on that. I want to weld direct to the chassis leg, so this is bigger than what the bracket is, so I should be able to get down with a shit ton of heat and just be like, wah, mega. I should be able to get in there with my welder and then I can smooth it all down and filler it. I'm going to box this engine mount in. I'm going to come down to the bottom of the bracket there where the bend is. I'm going to come across there to weld that, and then obviously that will be across there, and then this bit I'm going to cut into that corner there, so then it is kind of boxed, and then obviously that's smooth. But I was like in two minds whether to try and box it up here, but if you look at Honda's cars, he has Honda written in there, and I'm going to get Supreme done in there, right across there, engraved across there. So I've already spoke to Russ and he is sound with me stealing his ideas. If you want to go look at some wicked smooth bays and some nice work, he does do some really nice work, go see Honda Instagram right here. Alright, well, how yellow are these? Are you ready? Look at that fucking luminous yellow. Oh, delicious. I've been welding this fucking mountain and I've had to have it absolutely red as to weld in as weld under there. Surprising how the chassis leg is holding up actually, with how thick it is compared to what I'm welding to, but I'm just sticking my weld onto the thick metal, if that makes sense, and then bringing it onto the small stuff. But so smoky in here, I got a fucking banging headache. Right, these masks are just fucking killing me. Joe's semi works, mine doesn't work. Fucking horrible, I need a new welding mask. Dumbass. Put it too short. You are about to witness greatness. Look at that. Look at that. Now that. Look at that.
Look at it! I want all of you to look at it!
Outdo myself every single time. Look at that. That is one nice looking mount. Yeah, I'm just gonna weld it up, but my mask is absolutely terrible, and I'll go show you why. Because I'm getting loads of welding flash over the last few weeks, and it's been killing me. I've got a black lens underneath here. Yeah. And it's really dim because I'm just fed up with getting fucking welding flash, so I'm gonna order a new helmet. And hopefully it'll be here, and then I can carry on welding. Right, I am full of a cold. Ill as fuck. But you're gonna see the hairiest torch. Bring out the hairiest torch. Well, that's why you shouldn't have a magnetic torch right where you're grinding. But when I move this fucking light, there it is, the engine mount. Obviously it doesn't look like much, but I've still got a lot of smoothing to do. Still got the full other side down there to do, and just some of this bit here on the top. But yeah. What's up? So I kind of did a lot of work the other night, and then now it's just fucking pointless because now I'm gonna take it back out, which is pretty damn stupid. Anyway, let me show thee. I got me, well, this was my idea. Get my engine in one side, wait for my mount off Honda, which I thought was coming in a day or two, but it was 1 to 2 weeks. Like, I didn't even read it properly. So now I've got to take this engine back out, I'm gonna throw it where the spray booth is, and I'm gonna drag good old Joe's K20, dirty, all the way over there. So I've got to drag this, and he's got a load of shit and ancillaries on that I really don't want in because it just makes it awkward, but because it's not my engine, I don't really want to strip it. What else has he got? The oil breathe. Oh yeah, I've got to cable tie some bits up for him so that I can actually do them. Like, so yeah. So that's that. Easy peasy. An hour to get one out and one in is not bad, especially when I'm about to wheel it from over there, right over there, all the way down here on a fucking engine stand on a wobbly floor. That's not bad. These are the good old Chinese ones. So these are my fake Hasports. They've made a reappearance, so to speak. Let's do some arty footage. Look at them. Look at them. Look at that big gouge. Oh, that's a big gouge. These aren't staying. These I'm using to mock up so that I don't do this with my decent mounts. Because I am boppering the shit out of him. Fucking boppering the shit out of him. This one ground down a bit. I just boppered the shit out of that to pull the engine up. I wouldn't do that with £400 mounts. Get yourself some Chinese mounts if you're building a car. You can use them as mock-up mounts because they're fucking G. Like, you can bash them, smash them. Look at that. And then at the end of it, I'll have all nice new mounts. Nice new. The only thing, I had to put the Chinese one on because I could not wait to buy the mounts because I don't need them yet. Well, I do need them, obviously, but I welded all the bottom and shit and other shit, but yeah. Chinese, love it. Chinese, love it. Look at that. I've never felt so careless about anything in my life other than these mounts. I treat these mounts like an unwanted child. Can I say that? Yeah, I can say that. Just rechecking. When it's all nice and tidy and clean, I'll be able to see a lot more, and when it's painted. I've got to be careful when I do it again, because the second time I did it, I just knocked this corner here. I bashed that corner there. Right there, which is the only damage I've done, because obviously I didn't do the rest, because I was waiting to fit this. So yeah, there we are. You've all seen them before. A nice K20 in the bay. Let me tell you, come here, come on. I was fucking shitting myself that this engine was not gonna fit, because if I got a spider on my face, weird shit. I was 100% sure that I have warped this chassis, because I have been putting some heat into this and just being like, fuck it. That's why I wanted to get the engine. I was shitting myself. I didn't know what the fuck I was gonna do if it was warped. Like, be like your typical YouTuber though, get a car, start doing something and fuck it off and get a new one. But yeah. That's all you're getting. This is it. This is it today. Look at this, I'll help you out. Come here. There you are. There you are. That's all you're getting. That's all you're getting. See you in a bit.